Digital technology has become part of our everyday life. One click can change everything. With smartphones and the internet, information is always at our fingertips. We click links, like posts, share videos, and comment without thinking twice. But not everything we see online is safe or true.
Social media influencers identified by most state on in a new survey. The main spreaders of false information in the country. An overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed as a speed.
In today's digital age, technology allows us to access information anytime and anywhere. Social media, websites, and online platforms help us to stay connected. However, along with these benefits comes a serious problem called misinformation or fake news.
Misinformation refers to false or misleading information that spreads online. It may come from unreliable sources, edited photos, or exaggerated headlines. Many people share these posts without checking if the information is true, which allows fake news to spread quickly.
Fake news has serious effect on society. It can confuse people, create fear, and cause misunderstanding. In some cases, it can lead to panic, damage someone's reputation, or influence people to make poor decisions based on false information.
To avoid misinformation, we must be responsible digital users. Always check the source of the information, read the full article, and compare it with other reliable websites. Most importantly, think carefully before liking, commenting, or sharing online posts.
Let us ask a simple question. If you see shocking or unbelievable news online, what should you do first?
You should stop, think, and verify the information before sharing it with others.
Digital technology is powerful and useful, but it also comes with responsibility. The way we use technology can affect other people.
Let us fight misinformation by being smart and careful online. Remember, one click can spread truth or fake news.